Do you want to know how you can log into your DM Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your DM Payroll account. Go ahead and search for DM Payroll Login on the search bar and then click on the first option which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the official login portal of DM Payroll. Go ahead and write down your username or your email address in the first box over here. After that, write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon. Then the third step is to click login. This way you can successfully log into your DM Payroll account. If you don't have an account yet, want to create one, go ahead and click on this account. And if in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. So guys, this is how you log into your DM Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.